How to add Q&A on TikTok mobile app. So if you want to add question and answers for your bio, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and after opening your profile, go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-lined icon, and tap on Creator Tools. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here under the general option, you will have Q&A. Tap on that, and now you can tap on ask a question, and now you have to enter your question. And after entering your question, tap on post, and that's it. That's how you add your question. And you can also invite by tapping on invite, which is on the bottom left corner. And after going back and after reloading your TikTok, you will have question and answer on your bio. So that's it. That's how you add. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.